Hi, my name is Edisuri Ajiputra, and this is my proposed idea for Shabu Hachi case study. As the first COVID-19 case was announced by President of Indonesia, Mr. Joko Widodo, in 2nd of March 2020. Until December 18, 2020, there are more than 650,000 cases that have been confirmed in Indonesia. Due to the isolation and regulation because of the pandemic in 2020, businesses such as restaurants had to close due to strict protocols. Shabu Hachi itself have the slogan "Eat better, feel better, and live better," where the restaurant offering 40 choices of raw ingredients, imported meat, imported mutton, poultry, seafood, variant of healthy vegetable, mushroom, and many other side dishes. The customer of Shabu Hachi restaurant as their new experience of all-you-can-eat restaurant with a self-cooking method system and also the buffet system to have meeting their family, friends, and work colleague and have a good time in the Shabu Hachi restaurant. After gathering several survey from the respondent and persona and make the empathy map to show and easy to know what the customer about such as think and feel, see, say and do and hear. As to conclude, the gain from the empathy map is a hygienic, good food, good ingredient, convenient shabu and grill, good ambient, good times with family or friends, good experience self-cooking. And the pain is restaurant have to close early due to the regulations. Tired and crowded in buffet area. The seating layout still too close and tight. Complicated taking buffet using the protocols. Here is the SWOT analysis of Shabu Hachi restaurant. The business model environment analysis of Shabu Hachi restaurant as the industry forces are the local ingredient suppliers, imported ingredient suppliers, and also the competitor of Shabu Hachi are Hanamasa, Shaburi and Kintan, Parigu, Social Pod, and Gyukaku. And for the new entrant competitor is Opagalbi, Sabujin, and Pochajang. And for the substitute, there are home delivery, meat supplier for home cooking. The macroeconomic forces in 2020, economic globally condition are entering the recession, and also the economic infrastructure are showing downfall due to the lockdown and isolation. The key trend. Indonesia is expected to grow 2.5% in 2020 during the COVID-19. And the technology advancement of social media, online-based food trend predicted increase 30%. The technological trend, the smartphone and devices are more in high specs, and 5G and 6G internet connection, and the automation. Large-scale social restriction of or PSBB regulation from the government is still uncertainty during the COVID-19, as there are the opening hour protocols and also the restaurant and businesses could not operate. Market forces. Food and beverage services segment is what Shabu Hachi in the market. F&B revenue is expected to show annual growth as of 10.8%. F&B industry have to close their business during the lockdown and close early. The F&B industry showing decrease due to the pandemic but still attractive in the future. Design innovation diagram. There are the desirability, viability, and feasibility. For desirability, full service and new interface, efficient, application-based for order and other services, automation robot will deliver order food. And for viability, strict health protocol, COVID-19, tight competition, other competitors still not optimize the function, could create new sources of the revenue. For the feasibility, cloud web services, restaurant automatic dishes delivery waiter robot or tray, smart tablet devices, QR code recognitions. And between desirability and viability, connected into the efficiency and provide another option for buffet, optimizing services and giving new experience for customer. Between the desirability and feasibility, ordering food based on the application interface for customer, photography spatial requests, for example, or food and ingredient delivery. And between feasibility and viability, the new modular floor plan and partition, making the application for mobile devices, create trayway or track for delivery. And the design innovation from all, the new experience interface, less complicated and more hygiene of food order, mobile phone application interface for food order, reducing buffet traffic or could even eliminating buffet style by using automatic dishes delivering waiter robot. After all, here is the prototype of Shabu Hachi restaurant mobile application where it could gather all information about Shabu Hachi restaurant for customer such as promotion, table availability, table booking, and many more. After the customer come to the restaurant, their temperature will be checked using the machine and also they have to do the COVID-19 protocols. After the customer arriving on their table, they will be given a tablet as to fill their information such as name, phone number, or could even by scanning QR code. And it is also can be done using the mobile apps application. After entering their information and table number, they could choose the menu for how many person and looking all the information of the menu such as price. After choosing the menu, all the ingredients will show up that the customer could order shot dish and drinks. And it is still also can be done using the mobile apps application. Customer order from the tablet and mobile application. The robot will deliver the ingredient to the customer. And here is also the prototype of table arrangement for Shabu Hachi, where each table are divided using the divider as to prevent COVID-19. From all the prototype, here is the example of promotion for Shabu Hachi as to promote smart restaurant of Shabu Hachi by using a robot to deliver the ingredient and food to the customer, as it is to make the customer feel safe and also to prevent COVID-19.
Thank you very much.